morning, year two. How are you? It is Friday, or as we like to say, happy Friday. Okay, welcome to another week of distance learning. You did it. Well done. I'm so proud of you all. Keep up the really hard work that you're doing at home. Give your parents a huge hug, your nannies, anyone who's at home helping you. Give them a huge hug and say thank you. Okay, because I know it is a lot of work to be doing at home. And remember this weekend to take a break, rest, okay? And to play as much as you can inside. If you have space to go outside near your house, get some fresh air and breathe, okay? Today for math is going to be very simple and exciting. Now, we've done a lot of work with fractions in this week and last week. So we are going to continue just fractions for the last day today, okay? Now with fractions, we are going to do a bit of a craft, okay? A bit of an art project, okay? Now, I know that maybe some of you won't have a lot of materials at home, so neither do I, I'm going to be honest. So I always have recycled paper, so I'm going to be using old recycled paper. I have some glue. If you have glue or glue stick, it will be perfect. I have some scissors and I have colors, okay? Now, the project today may require more color, so if you have colored paper at home, that would be good as well, okay? It might be easier to use the colored paper. I do not have any, so I'm going to be using white paper and markers, okay? Now, I need to make sure that I'm going to make perfect circles. Perfect circles. So how can I find something to make perfect circles? Believe it or not, around your house, if you take a look around, I'm sure you're going to find something that could help you make a perfect circle, okay? It can be a bigger one or it can be a smaller one. I found two that I'm going to use. My big hot chocolate mug. So if you see here, this is a very big circle, okay? So I can use this by facing it down and tracing around it to make a circle. I also found my coffee mug, okay? It's much smaller, all right? These are the mugs that I drink my coffee out of or my tea, and the same. If I see here, I have a perfect circle on the top of the mug, so I can just use that to draw and trace my circle, okay? So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make, you're going to see, I'm not going to tell you what animal I'm going to make. Oh, told you first. Okay, we are making fraction animals, but I'm going to show you one animal that you can make today, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take a marker, and I'm going to put my lovely big chocolate mug, my hot chocolate mug here, and I'm going to trace around it to make my perfect circle, okay? There you are, yeah? Okay, and with that, I can go ahead and make that line a little bit bigger, kind of like when I did the pizza fractions, right? Okay, there we go, excellent. You see that there? Good, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another one, maybe I'll use red this time, and I'm going to take the little mug and I'm going to do it on this side, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do my perfect circle on this side, okay? So now I have two circles on my piece of paper. What I am going to do now is very simple. You can go ahead, you know what I'm missing? Is a ruler. Do you think I could find a ruler at home? Yes. What if you don't have a ruler? If you don't have a ruler, what you can use, if you have books at home, you can use the straight edge of a book to do a straight line, okay? So remember that every problem has a solution, and you are going to find something that has a straight line that will help you like a ruler, okay? All right, because what you need to do is now you need to make a straight line. We're going to cut this big circle into 4 parts, okay? We're going to cut it into 4 parts. So remember that when we cut a circle into fourths, 4 equal pieces, we're going to cross and cut like this, right? To make 4 equal pieces. So here we go. If you have a pencil, please use a pencil first so that you are able to erase. Miss Carolina currently does not have a pencil, okay? Many pens though, okay? So I cut my circle into fourths. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out the big circle, okay? We'll do the little one in a second, okay? I'm going to cut out my big circle as carefully as I can. A very nice circle. Okay, I've cut my circle out, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut one piece out, okay? I'm going to cut one piece out of my circle, so I'm going to go ahead, very carefully though, okay? I've cut out 1/4 of my circle, okay? I still have 3/4, okay? Now what I'm going to do is very simple, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take this on another piece of paper, okay? And I'm going to put it here. I'm going to glue it, okay? But maybe I should color it first. What do you think? Yeah? All right, so let's color it. I'm going to here, should color it all purple, okay? Now I know you guys love to color and you do amazing work, so I do want you to take your time into coloring your shape, okay? Take your time and make it creative. What animal do you think I'm making? Remember that it's a circle and I've cut one piece out. What animal could this be? Could it be an elephant? Could it be a tiger? Could it be the snail and the whale? What animal could it be? Okay. All right, I'm almost finished coloring here. I am going to color this one nice and neat so that I can show you. There we go. Okay. Now I have my complete purple. Okay. And I'm not going to be very descriptive on this part because it's a surprise. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little eye. And I'm going to draw part of its body. Okay. And I am going to draw a little eyelash. Okay. I have here a 4th still, don't I? So I'm going to take the 4th as well, and I'm going to color it maybe the same color as the other part. Okay. What part of the body do you think this could be? Okay, and I'm going to add again some details to the back part of the body, okay? And I'm going to now take my glue. Okay, now this glue is not, if you have a glue stick, it'll be much easier. I did borrow some of Lola's glue that she likes to use for slime and making things. So any glue will help, or even some tape, okay? I'm going to now take this and I'm going to put it down on my piece of paper and I'm going to create my animal. What animal do you think I am creating? So look at here, I have taken this 4th out and I'm actually going to put it and use it as its tail here. What animal did I create? It is a fish. Okay, it is a beautiful fish. Okay, looking maybe for some food, swimming around in the ocean. Okay, so what I can do with my circle fraction is create different animals. Okay, there is my circle fish. Well done. Okay, you can do so many. I will be sending you pictures of different ones. I have here another circle. You can make a smaller one. So to create here a little friend for my first fish. Okay, so this is your task for today. I hope it makes sense and I hope that you have fun with it. I'm going to be sending you different pictures of different animals, and those are just ideas. You can choose one, or if you can be really creative and create your own, even better. But the most important part is that one we have not done yet. Remember to please label your fractions, okay? This fraction is 3 pieces out of 4. So I need to write 3 out of 4. Okay, I'm going to write it on the outside as well because you can't really see it. And this one here, the tail, is going to be, it was 1 piece out of 4, wasn't it? Okay, well done. So there we have our written fractions, and you can even write them on the inside if you'd like, or on the outside. Okay, take a picture and send them to us on Dojo. We can't wait to see them. Happy Friday!